Hello, Forward Tech Surplus here with the Bio-Tek Precision PRC384M Microplate pipetting system. This is a short video demonstration to show the unit's functionality, and I'll also describe some things that are included with the listing, and importantly, what is not included. Let's start over here with the power supply. This unit will not come with a power supply. I'm borrowing this power supply from a different but similar unit just to show what happens when it powers on. You can see here the part number and model number, and I'll put those in the description as well if you want to procure a replacement. I believe they're available for about $20 to $30 online. But again, this unit will not come with a power supply. It will come with these plate holders or platforms. Here's a lower one here and another one identical to this one over here. And it will come with the control console or module right here. Okay, so when we power it on, you can see the panel powering up and initializing. And now it will begin its self-test. Okay, and now you'll notice it's moving the plate platform. And what happens is it gets to the end there. It seems to want to keep moving back, but it can't. That's where it stops. And this is still saying self-test, and it's going to stay that way indefinitely. And the panel is not responsive to any buttons here. It just stays on this self-test, and that happens kind of no matter what we do. I'm going to turn it back off, and you'll see if I move these completely forward and turn it back on, it's going through its initiation sequence again. Okay. Moves the arm back and forth. And now you'll see these moving back. And even without the plate on, you'll notice it gets toward the rear here. This one is going to try to keep going, clicking like that. And then it stops, and again, just sort of stays on this self-test indefinitely. We're not sure why it's doing that. We don't have the means or expertise right now to test it any further, and for that reason, this is being sold as a non-working parts unit. We will not be accepting any returns. It is sold as is. Thank you for looking. Have a nice day.